Congress MP Shashi Tharoor has been discharged of all charges against him as a Delhi judge refused to frame charges on a Delhi police charge sheet which charged him with abetment to suicide in the death of his wife Sunanda Pushkar 7 years ago. Reacting, Shashi Tharoor issued only a statement saying that "I am grateful, Your Honour," and saying that he had spent years of torture and faced vilification and a media trial.
One of India's most sensational cases. The mysterious death of 51-year-old Sunanda Pushkar, found dead in her hotel suite at the Leela Hotel in Delhi, while her husband, the articulate MP, author and ex-UN official Shashi Tharoor, was attending an All India Congress session in New Delhi, along with the then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, the Gandhis and the entire Congress leadership. Today, 7.5 years later, Judge Geetanjali Goyal refused to accept a Delhi police charge sheet which said Shashi Tharoor should be investigated for abetment to suicide and cruelty in her death. A relieved Shashi Tharoor's first response came with him saying, "Most grateful, Your Honour, it's been 7.5 years of absolute torture. I really appreciate it." He then released a statement, underlined that in our justice system, the process is all too often the punishment. Describing the charges levied against him by the Delhi police as preposterous, Tharoor said, "This brings a significant conclusion to the long nightmare." Tharoor also added that he had weathered dozens of unfounded accusations and media vilification patiently with the faith in Indian judiciary, which totally stands vindicated today.
We have to read on what basis the discharge has been allowed by the court, but of course there was absolutely no evidence. 7.5 years to decide the application of discharge, it's really unfortunate. The SIT of Delhi Police took about 4.5 years to conclude the investigation. In fact, they took 1 year to register the FIR in this case.
Sunanda Pushkar was found dead lying on her hotel bed on the 17th of January 2014. Her husband, Shashi Tharoor, said he left for the All India Congress Committee session without disturbing her because she hadn't slept well the night before. A post-mortem revealed no apparent reason for her death. A week later, Delhi police investigators said she seemed to have died of hidden poisoning. Then a year later, the police registered a murder case against unknown people, and 3 years later charged the MP with abetment to suicide. Sunanda's son Shiv Menon made a statement in the court backing Shashi Tharoor and said he would never have hurt his mother. It then took 3 years for the court to reserve its order in April this year and discharge Shashi Tharoor today. From the beginning of the Tharoor-Pushkar relationship, it had been a volatile one, conducted in the glare of the public eye with allegations of IPL corruption, which even the Prime Minister raised in a public speech referring to Sunanda Pushkar as a 50 crore girlfriend, and various BJP leaders taking potshots at Tharoor after her death. He was at the centre of a vitriolic media trial, causing him to go to court for protection.
Mr. Shashi Tharoor is charge-sheeted in a serious allegation of murder. And I don't want to give him more respect and prestige by responding to his baseless allegations.
Today, the Congress reacted in his support. Mahua Moitra, TMC MP, also came out in support of her Lok Sabha colleague Tharoor after the verdict, calling it as Satyamev Jayate.
Sources in Delhi police say that they are awaiting detailed verdict. After examination, the prosecution unit will take a call on challenging the special court order in higher courts. With camera person Sasikanja, this is Arvind Gunasekar for NDTV.